Hey lovelies, are you craving a crispy snack? Let's make some homemade potato chips. Fresh, crunchy, and way better than store-bought. I started by peeling off some fresh potatoes. I love to peel mine before washing, but you may decide to wash yours before peeling. You can make use of a knife to cut your potatoes, but here I made use of a cutter. Feel free to use whatever works best for you. Enjoy the process. After cutting the potatoes, you are to heat up oil in a frying pan or a pot to 350 degrees. Fry the slices in small batches, stirring gently until golden and crispy. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. Crispy golden potato chips made right at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.